I have the questions. Let's get answering. Okay, first question. Cute little love letter like cheek. Okay. Did your parents want to make you look cool? Is that why they taught you to write in your left hand? Fun fact, my parents didn't teach me to write. My teacher in kindergarten taught me to write. And second thing is, my dad always says this. Apparently, my doctor told my dad that they should not switch me from right. They should not switch my origin of side because apparently that could confuse me and I could go cuckoo. So they were like, my daughter is already half Pythium. Why should I make her a full Pythium? So, next question. Do you wash and eat in the same hand? Yes, I wash my plate in the same hand and then I eat out of it. Oh, you mean that kind of washing? Okay. You guys are right-handers, so whatever you do, we are just an ulta of you guys. That's all. See? If someone says "Moonjila pichangaya vekka," it's a slur for you lefties, no. Fun fact, for most left-handers, their left hand is very, very strong. So if actually Moonjila naanga pichangaya vechona, the one on the receiving end might get a little hurt. So be careful, guys. Are left-handers children of Satan? We are not children of Satan, we are Satan. Do you flip your book 180 degrees while you write? Yes, I do. But I do know that some left-handers don't. But I personally do flip it 180 degrees. There's the next question. Does it make it easy for others to copy? Okay, I don't know about others to copy, but I'm the one who usually copies from people in school. Shit. Now my dad will find. I did not see. Ulta. Which hand do you put talam in when you learn Carnatic music? If you do in left, is it disrespectful? I really want to know this. I am not a Carnatic music expert. I learned Carnatic music for exactly 2 days. I will talk about it in one of my stand-up sets. But when I did learn it, I did put talam on my left and my teacher got really annoyed. So, is it disrespectful? I don't know. The whole point of talam is to keep rhythm, right? So if a person is keeping rhythm in left or right, I don't really understand how that makes a difference. So yeah, maybe Ilayaraja kitta na kette solren, guys. How do you drive? I drive like a normal person, but if you ask how do you drive people, I drive them nuts. இடது கையில் கொடுத்தா வலது கைக்கு தெரியக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஆனால் வலது கைக்கு கொடுத்தா இடது கைக்கு சொல்லலாமா? இடது கைக்கு சொல்லலாமா கூடாதான்னு எனக்கு தெரியாது. ஆனால் பழமொழி சொன்னால் அனுபவிக்கணும்னு ஆராயக்கூடாதுன்னு மட்டும் எனக்கு தெரியும். இந்த ஷோவோட பேர்லேருந்தே உங்களுக்கு தெரிய வேணாமா, நான் ஒரு பெரிய கமல் ஃபேன். நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின். How do you use scissors? Scissors is one of the biggest nightmares for like most left-handers. I don't use the scissors. I use a blade, and I believe I read that there are left-handed scissors, but I've never seen them or they're probably very expensive. So, yeah. Which hand do you use chopsticks in? I am Indian, so I don't believe in chopsticks. How many fingers do left-handers have? If you know the math, count. I'm not Hrithik Roshan, so thank you very much. Next question. Also, I don't know if Hrithik Roshan is better. Please don't tell me Abhishek Bachchan is left-handed in the comments. I get really angry, guys. Breathe. Next question. Actually, last question. Okay. Are you more intelligent than right-handers, or is it just a myth to make you feel better? To be very honest, how do I know, sir? On that note, I'm actually done with all the questions. This was really, really fun doing. So thank you so much for watching. And most importantly, please stop asking these questions to left-handers all the time. If you want to know the answers, if you're genuinely curious, please Google it, Safari it, Siri it. I don't care. Just Google it. It's all there. It'll be there on Quora at least. Okay? Please. And on that note, wishing all my fellow left-handers a big, big, big happy International Left-Handers Day. Until next time, tata, bye-bye!